Hi, my name is Arava and I'm a product manager from Palram, and in this video we're going to talk about tips for a fast and safe EZ Glaze installation. Use foam tape on each rafter to reduce friction due to the thermal expansion. Pre-drill 10 mm holes along the outer corrugation every 500 mm. Make sure you use self-tapping screw of 1/4 inch diameter by 2 inch length with a 25 mm EPDM washer through the pre-drill holes. For your safety, use a stepping ladder to install the panels over the structure. No need to step on the panels. For more information, go to palram.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time.